I was just writing down. That means you gotta put the hinges over there on that side. Yep. It's an opposite.
Yep.
I was just saying.
If you're recording that, you want to go over there because you don't want everybody talking.
Alright. I could have been done or bad if I get strength up. Where are you, lightning? Oh, it's there. Whoa. Wow. Okay. Look at that Thunderhead, y'all. Whoa! What the heck, y'all? Come on, storm, grow severe, like really bad. These some towel thunderstorms, baby. Oh my goodness, y'all. Wow. Come on, cumulus right there. Don't let those other clouds show you off. It's probably coming into a much stronger environment. It's probably cool, but we're getting more in a humid environment. So this storm is likely to get stronger. Oh, I don't know why the most lightning is over there. I'm going to keep it on this particular right here. Come on, little cumulus in there. I know you're in there. I can see it just turn into another one. I don't know if I'm going to get the whole thing for y'all. I know that. This is my first video, you know, and then I did a video on Hannah the other day, but this is different here. This is thunderstorm activity in Pennsylvania once again at nighttime. I could see. I'm not getting really anything too suspicious. Wow. Yeah, there was a lot of lightning on it. Whoa. Wow, that thing is really going off with lightning strikes tonight, y'all. I don't know what storm we're gonna. I know we're gonna get this one, but it's really electric. It's really got some. Yeah, it's hitting a more humid environment. That's what these storms are trying. Because if you haven't had any storms today, they came in, like a little bit. They came in and like it's been clear all day, and they finally came in tonight. Wow! Please go severe warning storm. Come on, please. Wow. What? Come on. Because that Thunderhead's moving out. Unless we get that other cloud to build. We've got another cloud in there that's really tall. Wireless. Yep, better get home, buddy. You're gonna get slammed by some storm, y'all. Wow. Okay, there's more to this. Whoa! I missed that one. Come on. Give me another one. It's got another Thunderhead right in there. Come on, Storm. You want to go? There's one in Fairmont that's going to severe warning. Please do the same in Fayette County. Come on, baby. I'm just going to zoom out because I'm not getting really no lightning. Whoa! I got that one! Oh my god! Oh my! Yep, here we go. That's the first strike I got on camera. Now it's got to do something now. It's got to go severe warning. Look at that cloud all the way in there. Oh my! Yeah, we got a severe warning towards Fairmont, so. And it was bolts earlier. Imagine if we had another thunder out that was built at the same time as this one. Yeah, that Thunderhead's leaving over there. This one's arriving. Oh, this is arriving in. Time to be quiet in this video because. Yeah, we got a nice thunderstorm there. Wow, look at that guy. Yeah, we got something nice here. Got that too. Whoa! Come on, little cumulus, build up in there. Wow, that's big. That's a big thunderstorm, y'all. Let's see what the one towards Fairmont's looking like. I don't know, but it's. Man, it's a whole freaking wow! This thing's really getting together. These are some tall base thunderstorms. This is well ahead of that cold front, y'all. This is well ahead of it. This ain't the cold front itself either. This is actually well ahead of this cold front. That's what this is. Wow, look at this side. Look how tall that thing is. Got this lightning in that because it's also severe too. I can feel cooler air coming in now. Yep, I'm gonna get to stop and listen to some music. But let's see if our little cumulus spills up in there. I don't know if it's going to be the whole storm that's lighting up. Wow. That's even part of the storm too. What? That's a big thunderhead, okay? Yeah, remember how big it was a minute ago? It's still that big. But it looks like it's getting taller. Like it's merging with another storm now. It's about to really a little bit of breakup in between, but it's actually really going off right now. Wow, this sucker's getting some severe weather. Yeah, we're about to get some sort of severe thunderstorm activity tonight. This is awesome. Be nice if we get that storm coming in a little bit later. The slower this thing comes, the stronger this it is. It's actually going slow, so I wish it would continue going slow a little bit, because the stronger this thing can get, then the better it gets. I'm not showing you all this. This is also a storm, but this is a very tall thunderhead. But look, it's also that. There's also lightning in this whole other start. My gosh. That's a big thunderstorm, Bubba. That's a big thunderstorm. It ain't no cold front. There's a cold front. It's just this ain't actually the cold front itself. You know why? Because we're well ahead of a cold front here. It's okay. We're well ahead of one. We're actually well ahead of this cold front, because if we wouldn't have been, these thunderstorms would have been more of a line. I know it's like a line, but there's really some cumulonimbus tops on this thing. Whoa! Oh my goodness! This is really getting. Look at that cloud in there. Let's get a scroll. Look. There's that color. Here you are. Ooh. We're gonna get some winds in this sucker, guys. We're gonna get rain. We're gonna get some rain. Not good night for fish, but definitely gonna get some rain. I know we got that. Now let's see what this thing's up to over here. Damn. And that thunderhead was clear a minute. Whoa! Alright, I'm gonna zoom out for you and get this whole thing from view. I'm gonna get back a little bit so I can actually get you guys a visible storm. Because we got a shelf cloud on this thing and everything. Oh yeah. Wow. But this storm it's about to get really bad here in the next minute. Oh my. OMG. Wow. My goodness. You can see this whole structure. You can see the storm itself. This whole thing looks like a monster. A monster thunderstorm. I don't know which part of the storm we're gonna get, but we got a little shaft down there. We're in thick clouds. My God. Wow. Smell your close, storm. Come on, lightning, do it again. Yeah, stronger storms are back. Towards Fairmont, we got a stronger cell back there. There it is. There's the lightning on that part. Oh, here comes the first wave of wind. I guarantee it's going to be the first wave of wind. Whoa. My love is a mine. Okay. We got more to this storm than we thought. Man, this is definitely what you call a severe thunderstorm. So I got see I got one sail back, got that part of there. You got a little broken part, but then you get this real dark one part there. I'd rather get a severe warm one. That isn't warned. Should have been. Not time for that today. It's not even a wind. Yeah. There it felt rain. Here it comes. Another little rain shower now. Yeah. Wow. Let's check our... Can't turn that on. Severe thunderstorm warning in Fairmont. Woo. Sweet.